This video will show you how to install and update RainbowOne. Install. First, go to the App Store and search for RainbowOne. Tap the Get button to download and install it. Update. There are two methods of updating: General Update and Critical Update. Critical Update is an important update that needs to be installed for access. General Update includes program revisions or new feature additions. The system will not mandate updates. It will be automatically updated if your device has the Auto Updates feature enabled. If not, a notification will appear on the main screen when a new version of the app is available. Enable Auto Updates. Go to Setting. Tap App Store. You can toggle app updates on or off here. Please note that if you enable Auto Updates, all programs will be automatically updated when updates are available.